What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. It is your girl Julia, and today we're going to be talking about my 5 favorite camera accessories. Let's get started. So, first accessory is a Manfrotto Pixie tripod. I've been using this ever since I got my GoPro Hero 5 a long time ago, but I end up getting this so I can quickly take the camera off of the tripod and then put it back on, make it easier. And then it's easier to level it out because it has 2 bowl levelers on the side. But I am looking at more different tripods because sometimes I just want to extend just a little bit higher, you know, for the time lapses or for sitting down videos just like this. The next accessory will have to be the knockoff Peak Design tripod. Not tripod, camera strap. I got this because at first I was like, I didn't want to pay a lot for a camera strap, but now I realize this kind of hurts my neck when I wear it, and then I want to wear it as like a body sling. So one day I might upgrade to something better, and then it might last longer. But this hasn't frayed, this hasn't ripped, teared, it hasn't dropped my camera. It has the same anchor links just like the Peak Design. So if you don't want to spend as much, it's a good thing to have. I will have everything linked down below. To be aware, my Amazon links are affiliate links, so I do get a small commission back, but it will not come out of your what you're paying for. Thank you if you use the links. Next up, I used this I think twice. It's a camera cleaning kit. Everyone should have a camera cleaning kit. If not, just get a rocket blower. Clean the sensor, clean the lenses, and then you have a lens pen with the microfiber end to clean the lens, and then you have this end to like get off smudges and stuff. I really like this. And then it comes with some microfiber cleaning cloth, and then it also comes with some alcohol wipes, just in case you want to wipe down your screen or anything else like that. And it comes in a nice pouch, so I can just throw this at the top of my camera bag. If you guys haven't seen what's in my camera bag video, I'll link it up here. I think I got it right. Next up is a dual battery charger. I got this for Christmas. It came with 2 batteries, and what I like about it is uses USB-C and micro USB, so I can plug a micro USB and a USB-C in at the same time, and in my head it feels like it charges faster. You also have a USB-A on the side because this can be a power bank. Just to let you know, it will take batteries. It will take juice from both of your camera batteries. But if you're in a pinch and you need to charge your phone, you can also do so. And it has a built-in USB-A cable. So all you have to do is get like a wall block and plug it in, and you don't have to bring around like extra cables because you have one built in. And last but not least, I have my SD card and battery holder. In here I have my SD cards on this side. You can fit 3 CFX cards, I think that's how you call it. You can fit 6 SD cards. I have a micro SD card with the adapter. I have 2 micro SD adapters, but my SD card is in this camera. But if you can see, that's the only way. You can only fit CF cards, SD cards, or use the micro SD card adapter. You can't just put a micro SD card in without the adapter. And then on this side, I have my backup storage, USB-C to USB-A. So if I need to transfer any files or anything like that, I have the USB-C SD card reader, and I have the Lightning to SD card reader, just in case I need to send pictures quickly to my phone, or whenever I bring my laptop, I'll have it with me. And then it's 3 battery slots over here. But on the Amazon thing, It said that you can put AA batteries in here, so that's good if you're traveling with AA batteries for like a microphone or anything like that. Sorry that the lighting just changed. I think the sun is moving or something like that. But that is it for my favorite camera accessories. Like I said, everything will be linked down below, and the what's in my camera bag video will be linked right here. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Peace.